Hello and welcome to Weather Siren Anonymous, where today I'm going to be giving you a different type of video. I present to you tornado sirens described in 10 words or less. The 10V. Small but powerful. Vortex R4, one of the more reliable electronic sirens. Modulator. They look like Mentos, but sound nice. 15V1T. Everywhere I look, there's one. Alerter. One of the best 912 port sirens. Cyclone. 8-port beast of a siren. P50. Rotating variant of the Cyclone. XT22. Nice and punchy sound. 2800 and 2900 series. Hockey pucks. That is all. HPSS 16 and HPSS 32. Why? Just why? T128. Replaced the old TMI system, but otherwise sounds nice. 508. Their version of the T128. 2001. Overrated siren. Stop replacing old sirens with them. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.